Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a quirky claymations or stop motion video in Canva. So here I've already opened Canva on my browser. Now you can just use Canva AI to create the video. Just head into Canva and AI in here at the top. Click on that option and scroll down until you find the Claymation video example. This one in here. So this is a prompt example for Claymation video. You can just click on it first. And here is the prompt. Now you can just copy this prompt and modify it on your own. Here I'm going to paste it in here in the chat box. So this is the example. I'm going to just change the character around it. This one I'm going to change the character into white rabbit and an orange cat. Okay, so it includes also the expressions of the animals. Here I'm going to change it into the rabbit tail as the cat goes forward, and also the texture in here with a warm lighting and stop motion aesthetic. Now you can just hit on submit and just wait until Canva AI create the Claymation video for you. So I've got the video, and in here you can just click on this play button to preview the result. And if you're satisfied with it, you can just click on this drop down to download it. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.